Alright guys, so today I wanted to do an unboxing review on my cool Star Galaxy Chestnut Projector. These are super neat. Let's see what we got. So you get the instruction manual. Honestly, these are some of the lenses for it, like in the film, the remote, the power cable, which is a Type-C cable. So now let's check it out. All right, man, it's really cool. It's got a little squirrel up top. So let's see how it all works out. Looks like it fits right on here. And now I'm gonna install the film on it, get it all hooked up and see what it looks like. All right, guys, I went and got it hooked up. Very simple process. I just plugged in the cable that it came with. And then it's good to go. But there were some other features before I show you how cool the actual light is that it comes with. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it on so you can see. All right, it's on. And then I'm gonna go ahead and show you. So it's got a white noise option. And then you can change it if you don't like that one. It's got a lot of options. So yeah, that one for me, that's the winner. I love going to sleep with like a rain sound. Oh yeah, there's that one too. And you can put up the volume. Put it down. And then here's the other cool option that I saw as well. So if you hit the little music button, check this. It will literally be a Bluetooth speaker too. It's playing out of here. And you can just be controlling it from here as well. That is so cool. Very cool. So now that we're done showcasing that, I'm going to show you what the actual lights look like. There is already one of the films in there, and then I'll switch them out so you can see all of them. Go ahead and show it to you. Wow, look how clean this first one looks. That is a very clear picture. Looks really awesome on the wall. And you could actually make it either bigger, make it a little smaller on here. You could put it on the ceiling like this. So that's the first one that I got. Now let me switch it and show you the other two. All right, and here's the other one, which is the moon. Wow, these are super cool. All right, guys, here's the next one. Very nice quality on these. All right, guys, and here is the last one. This one's a lot more of like just like a full space shot. So very cool projector. All right, guys, so I went ahead and showed you all of the films that it comes with. They're all super cool, all really high quality. I was so surprised of how good they look. So honestly, if you're looking for an awesome projector, I highly recommend this one. Definitely a 10 out of 10.